They call it the fountain of youth. Say it rejuvenates up to 10 years. Remember, all people are not the same. It is possible that this home remedy will serve you, and it may not work for you. There is no magic or miracles in health, do not forget. There is nature and the desire to do things well. If you have doubts about what you do, consult your doctor. We will not be responsible for what might happen. Rejuvenating 10 years consuming a home remedy is possible, and today we share with you the formula that will make you look much younger and radiant with really very little effort. You will not need to get exotic ingredients expensive or hard to get. This recipe can be made only with magnesium chloride and water. Be encouraged to carry out with us this home remedy. First of all, the first thing to do is to boil a liter of water in a pot, until it reaches the point of boiling. Then let it stand until it recovers at room temperature. Once we have the water at room temperature, we will begin to pour 33 grams of powdered magnesium chloride. This component can be found at any nearby pharmacy. To consume this remedy, we must take into account our age and that of all those who will consume it. For this there is a reference table of dose by age. As you can appreciate, magnesium chloride is beneficial to health, consuming it only from 10 years of age due to its broad medicinal and curative spectrum. This home remedy should be ingested according to the physical context of the consumer. It is essential to apply it according to the doses recommended in the section that we leave below. Ages: 1. Between 10 and 40 years, only half a cup in the morning. 2. Between 40 and 70 years, 1 cup in the morning. 3. From age 70 onwards, 1 cup in the morning and another cup at night. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.